they IGs. He got to do better with that. This is his first one, but
Guy coming out. What's going on, Brody? What's your name?
Appreciate you having me.
Mar?
JV.
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason? Okay. All right, so Jason, you know what I'm saying? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I model, I do content, I act. I'm an
is it me or is he blending in with the background, bro? They need to lower them damn lights or something. Like I don't even know where your boy at right now. Where are you right now?
Airbnb host, and I'm in the restaurants.
All right. Where you from?
I'm from here.
Okay, so ladies, based off of first impression attraction, would you guys pop your balloon? Okay.
I got a question first.
Nobody else popping? We're going to get to you. Nobody else popping? Okay, cool. All right, so why did you pop your balloon?
His shoes a little dirty.
Yeah, these a little old, my bad. I didn't read up.
So why did you keep your balloon?
He's attractive. I was just looking at the shoes. That's the only thing.
He really not my type, but I do feel like you're a cool guy. Like, I don't know, just the way your aura is just cool.
Outside of this weekend.
Yeah, and Airbnb, like, probably, like, I'm trying to do that so we can lock
I'm
in.
into real estate, something that I'm trying
Okay.
I wanted to ask a question as well.
What you mean?
What's he get Airbnb?
I think he did say something about Airbnb. I don't know. But well, why are you looking at her like that, bro? Damn.
He trying to maintain eye contact.
The stare damn hole in her, boy. Looking at them damn edges. That's what he's looking at. I know damn well. I cannot wait till this style, like this go out of style. I'm so, bro, take me to the year 2030, 2045, 20 whatever, man. I am so sick and tired of seeing this dog on there. For real.
I kept my balloon. You got makeup on?
No,
Okay. You have really good skin.
appreciate it. I model this.
Okay, so you
Yeah,
just
that was
wanted to
crazy,
ask
though.
if he had makeup on?
Yeah, that's why I kept my balloon.
I like brown skin men, but you sound like you have a lot going on. That seems intriguing.
I'm a little
You wanna get a translation for what she just said, or you want me to?
Oh, you go ahead and I'm
All right, so basically, the other guy was too light skinned, and she said that she normally, well, she prefers dark skinned men. This guy right here, because I don't think the dude said anything about him playing basketball until after she popped, right?
years.
He sounded like he got a lot going on, so he got money. So now you're interested just based on what he does, how much money he can potentially make. Go ahead and pop your damn balloon. I would have popped it forward.
spicy.
Yeah, I think
season.
so.
You getting that money.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so you have 2 balloons left. I'm gonna ask you a few questions. You know what I'm saying? So like, when was your last relationship?
Couple years. It lasted about 3 years, but I think it was puppy love just because I was younger and I didn't get to that second half of my life, and we have so much more experience. So I couldn't say that was real love, or I mean, it was my first relationship. So ever since then, I've been single.
So what are you looking for?
I mean, I'm at that crossroad where I'm just trying to attract things. I'm not chasing nothing. So if someone was then I
What do you
pursue
mean
it.
by you're trying to attract things? Like, what does that mean?
I'm saying is if I'm not gonna force a relationship. Now, if I find somebody that fits the criteria, or we can build off each other, then I'll do that.
Why'd you pop?
I'm looking to be chased, respectfully.
And that's why your ass single. My bad, y'all. My bad. Good, great. I ain't mean to throw that jab. I ain't mean to throw that jab. I am
Sometimes
sick.
you say respectfully at the end of that too.
But yeah, man, no, in this day and age, ain't nobody doing no chasing, man. And I would ask, why and what? Why would he chase somebody like you? And what is the reason? Like, what's the reason behind him chasing you? What do you have to offer that he can't get from one of these other bust downs right here?
I didn't say I didn't get a chase. I'm talking about like beforehand. I meant beforehand. But like once we like get to that point, of course, the world about you. What I meant beforehand. That's what I meant by that.
Honestly, I don't even want to explain that.
No. Oh man, listen, in order for you to chase somebody, that means they're running away from you. They're running away. What are you running away for? There's no reason to chase. We're not doing this, man. We're not doing this. Courting somebody is completely different than chasing.
Have your balloon. What do you see so far?
He seemed like a cool guy. I just don't know enough to. I'm on the fence a little bit.
How do you feel about her?
Around the way I'm looking, it's probably my only pick out here. To be honest.
So she your type.
Yeah.
You got any questions for her?
Off rip, nah. I think a lot of that would come after.
What is it about her that you see that you like?
Hey, I love the hair. I just love it. The curly hair, do something. But
Okay, so you just like her. You know what I'm saying? You don't have no questions for her? No kids?
no, I ain't got no kids.
What's your nationality? Like
Puerto
ethnicity?
Rican, so I was doing it.
Can you cook?
He ain't asked me that.
I'm asking. I
Can she
gotta
cook?
ask questions.
Can she
You know what I'm
cook?
saying? I gotta help him out. and
Can
help
you
out.
cook?
You care about that, right? Like if
I
a
mean,
girl
of
can
course
cook,
we
that
all do.
matter.
I feel like that's self-explanatory.
I know your mama. You Puerto Rican, so I know your mama be getting that mouth.
Oh, yeah, myself.
You can cook too.
So I was into
Have
the
you ever
restaurant.
dated a black woman?
Dated. I've only been in one relationship, but I had like a situationship, or like we was going together for months, but it didn't get to the point where I was like, all right, come be my mama.
Wait, my bad. So that was with the black,
Like the first
your
one.
long relationship with
that
her
was
nationality.
Man, she was Hispanic. No love, love.
He trying to try something new.
No, I do like him, but I don't like being the first black girl. It's just a thing.
So he got to get broken in first.
up.
But he said he talked to a black girl, right?
He said he talked to a black girl. He said he just.
Man, what the hell is cooked, boy? When I tell you cooked out of this freaking world, man, you have a guy that's only been in one relationship. Seems like he has a pretty decent head on his shoulders. I mean, I can't really say anything about the way that he dressed. I mean, you can barely see because of this damn background. Very well spoken. He presents himself. He seems respectful, respectable. You got a decent candidate right here, and you talking about, nah, you don't want to be the first.
Would have been the last.
Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad. Listen, all the great guys out here, I'd be so happy when these bust downs don't choose them. Good.
So this is like super duper, like locked in, serious. All right. So do you have any recapping? Do you have anything that you would like to say to these ladies? Or
Y'all all beautiful in your own right. I pray this life works out for y'all.
all right, bro. We're gonna get on to the next guy. Appreciate you for coming.
Appreciate you having me.
All right, buddy.
Yes,
Be
sir.
safe. All right. So how did y'all feel about the last guy?
He was cool though.
That was supposed to be your match.
It was.
He was for you.
I was just on the fence. Like I
Okay.
was like 80-20, but then it went to like 50-50, then it went to like 0.
He was cool. He looked like he would have been a cool friend or something, but not for me.
Okay.
He had swag. He was cool.
Yeah, he was sweet.
He was sweet. He was cool, but he couldn't be our match. Friend zone.
He said he talked to black girls before, but I don't want to be the first black
I
relationship.
think he was scared to just say like he be. You know what I'm saying? He just tried to keep it.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.